Hey guys, how is it going? This is Anu from the Art of the Garden. Um, it's very windy outside today and I can't really work outside. I started cleaning up the beds and removing the weeds and all, but today I'm not able to go outside. So I thought I will use this time and start some seeds. So today I'm planning to start some okra as well as eggplants. And maybe after some time tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will start tomatoes and peppers and chili peppers and all. So today it's mainly going to be okra and eggplant. So I just wanted to show you the supplies I have right now. I have these cups with soil. This is potting soil mixed with some cocoa coir. I had some cocoa coir which was bought like 2-3 years back. I never used it. So I thought this would be the time, and I just mixed with the potting soil, mainly to just utilize that brick. And now I have this pre-moistened this soil, and I have some markers here for writing the plant seedlings names and a permanent marker and my seedlings box. So I'm going to use take out what are the varieties. I have seeds, different varieties, so I'm going to use some new varieties this year. So I'm going to take the seeds from my seed box and start planting the okra and eggplants. So mainly these are the varieties I'm planning this year. Let me show you. So this is okra. This is supposed to be less slimy. We'll see how it goes. And this is one variety of eggplant. Everybody is aware of this. This one good for fries and or pickles and all. And this is a long variety. And this is a small round variety which we heavily use in stuffed vegetable. And this is a green variety which is again used in stuffed vegetable. So these are the ones which I am going to plant. These seeds are actually bought several years. I mean, many couple of 2-3 years ago. So I think they will work without any issue. So we'll see. The reason I'm planting this a little early because I want to see whether they sprout or not. I'm not very sure that they will germinate, but we will see. This seed packet actually has only 6 seeds in this, so it's about time to complete this and throw the packet away. I think that's enough. So in each for eggplants I'm going to plant 2 in each cup. There is one more seed in here. Again, these varieties, these seeds are very old seeds, maybe 2-3 years back. But I don't think there will be any problem in germinating, but we'll see. So I am almost taking 2 cells for each variety. And this one I'm going to plant only one cell because I just need one plant for this. That's it. So the eggplants are done. I'm going to write before I forget because I have a tendency of missing things and forgetting what I planted. So it's better to write down immediately. So I hope this works out pretty well because I don't want to use too many markers for these. These 4 are going to be for eggplants and these 6 are going to be for okra. So I'm just going to make sure that I'm not mixing the cups, but it doesn't really matter because once they have the 2 leaves, I should be able to figure out which one is okra and which one is eggplant because the leaf structure is different. So anyway, so now I am done with the eggplants. I'm going to do the okra now. And I generally use the seeds which I store from the last year's crop, but this year I am using the okra seeds mainly for, I store the seeds mainly for okra and ridge guard or bottle guard like that. But this year I'm using the okra seeds from the packet because this is a new variety I'm trying and I want to store these seeds for next year. So I'm going to put 1 seed for each cell. I have put 2 seeds for each cell for the eggplant, but for the okra I'm going to use only 1 seed per cell. So once these germinate and they come with the true leaves and all, once they develop the true leaves, I'm going to separate them into separate cups, and if I need more at that time, if something is not going to survive, then I'm going to plant more seeds. But for now, this is 12 okra and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 varieties of eggplant. That's it. We are done with the okra and eggplant. I'm going to close the cell. Wow, can you hear that sound? So much of wind. That's it. Now I'm going to water these. Because the soil is already pre-moistened, I don't have to use a lot of water now. In addition to whatever I'm using here, this tray also has some water, so it should be enough. The soil needs to be moisture. It shouldn't be like dripping with water, but should be moisture enough to have the seeds, help the seeds germinate. that's it. So now I'm going to um, move this tray to my station where I have set up the grow lights along with the heat mats. So at this point, if you want and if you have, you can use the domes here to help the seeds to germinate. But I don't have the domes that fits to this particular cups. So I'm just going to keep them in the rack and see how it goes. I'm not going to use any domes for these. That's it folks for today. Thank you very much. Hey guys, how is it going? I actually changed my mind. I thought I will do the tomatoes tomorrow, but I thought I still have some time, so I think I'll complete the tomatoes also today. So these are the varieties I'm going to use. This is one I got this packet from the Seeds of India. This is supposed to be like tasting like a Indian tomato. Like the tomatoes there are a little bit less sweeter than what we have to here. So I'm going to try this variety this time. And I have Roma, which is my favorite. And this is the first time I'm using this variety. This is pink hybrid. I got it from Burpee, so I'll try this. And this is yellow tomato. And I'm thinking this is orange tomato. I hope that I'm not going to end up with two yellow tomatoes, because the name of this one is Jubilee and the name of this one is Golden Jubilee. So I'm thinking this is orange. Let's hope it is orange. And this is also, I got it from Burpee. This is new variety that I'm trying this year. This is indeterminate, so I have to stake it, but we will see. Early trait hybrid. So these are the varieties I'm trying for this year, and I have 10 cups here. So I'm going to place two cells for each cup. That means I'm going to have 20 tomato plants, which is too many, I know. But I'm not expecting everything to survive, because some of these seeds are very old, other than the ones which I bought this year, like this one and the pink one and this one. So we will see. I mean, some of these seeds are very old. They may not germinate, and if they come up, then I will thin anyway. So I'm going to use all these cups for tomatoes. So I think the yellow and orange one I'm going to use only one cell, because I don't need too many there. So rest of them I'm going to use two cells. So first I will start with orange, because that is what these two are for. And I'm going to use more Roma because that's what I generally use for storing purposes or canning or anything. So still is not good. Okay, so those are for Romas. So I'm checking this packet and I realize that there are maybe very few seeds. So I'm not sure. We'll see. I mean, this one I probably have to store. These look like they are not hybrid, so probably I will store them. But for this now, I'm going to use in 1 cup. And then I'm going to use the pink one in this cup. So I'm going to use the pink one again, 2 cells. And finally, I think I'm going to keep 1 cup ready. I wanted to try this Amish paste, but I couldn't get the hold of the seeds. I'm going to try one more time. So I'm going to keep this cup just open like this. Probably I will not plant anything. In this cup, I'm going to use this variety, early treat. I'm not planting any cherry tomatoes this year, mainly because what I have observed is I'm not using that many cherry tomatoes. So for salads also I tend to use the medium size like these ones. So we'll see. I mean, I always think like that and I end up buying at least 1 cherry tomato. So if I need that at that time, I'm going to just buy the starter plant instead of seeds. So again, as I said, let's hope that I get the Amish paste. If I don't, I'll just buy the cherry tomatoes. I actually have cherry tomatoes seeds, so probably if I don't get the Amish paste, I'm going to use this cup for the cherry tomatoes. I think that's it. Probably let me complete this one. Again, this soil is pre-moistened, so I don't have to water it too much. On top of it, I have used some water. I poured some water on the tray also, so it's going to be stay moisture for at least today. And now I have to remember that these two have only 1 cell because I'm using orange and yellow there. And this I am just going to put an empty marker over here just to keep myself reminded that there is nothing in this cup, so that I don't think that it has not been germinated. that's it, folks, for today. We completed tomatoes also. So I may have to plant chilies tomorrow. Okay, now I don't have any more time. I have to go and cook the dinner. So we'll plant the chilies tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye.